Okay, so what I want to do today is, if you're applying for jobs now, you have been for some weeks, and you haven't looked at your social media accounts, that's what I want to briefly talk about this morning. If you get past these various gates that we've been talking about, an employer is going to most likely these days looking at your social media profiles, all right? This is part of the norm. I do it, there's many of my colleagues have done it, and we just take a quick look to see what your social media presence is. And this is more of a defensive nature rather than trying to find out, ooh, this guy said he's got rock climbing on his CV, does he actually do rock climbing? This is more of a case of, are you a bit of a militant on social media? That's probably what they're looking for. They're looking for danger signs. Okay, so the first thing they'll do is they'll obviously go to the LinkedIn profile, which is the professional networking site. They'll just see what your possible projects are, education, etc., etc. Because I think you can get more from that LinkedIn profile than you can from the CV. So that's the obvious go-to. Then what we need to concentrate on today is social media, i.e. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Future employees are looking to see if you will fit in a team, okay? Skills are great, and they're the obvious ones to go for, but there's also this emotional piece where people are looking to see, will you fit in my team, will you fit in my company? Social media can tell a lot about you. Okay, so if you are applying for jobs today and you haven't already done so, change the privacy settings on your social media. Okay, you should be doing that anyway. All right, I'm quite happy that my presence is out there. That's what I do, that's what I need to do, and that's what I like to do in the contracting world. However, unless you are 100% confident that your social media activity will not offend anybody, and don't forget, it's very easy to offend the people these days, and squads, air force and sailors, we have a very, very different humour setting to civvies and norm. Okay, gallows humour in our life is the standard, right? We will rip the mick out of somebody for something that you wouldn't even think about in civistry. It's not going to happen. We say stuff to each other, whether it be face to face or on social media, that would not even go down 3 seconds in a HR meeting within a company. Okay, so just be very wary. It's not about your views, whether they be religious, political, or something else. It's all about if you're the potential of you offending someone within a team. Okay, so unless you're 100% confident, change those settings. It's very easy to do. On obviously things like Twitter and Instagram, you should go back through your feed, have a glance and make sure that you haven't posted anything in the last 6 to 12 months that would cause offence to anybody, that would make an employer think twice, okay? Because this is an obvious trap. If you've spent so much effort and time on your CV and getting it through the automated bots, getting it through an agency, getting it in front of a recruiter, the last thing you want to do is fall because you just reshared an image that had a meme on it and you were like, oh, you're having a laugh, aren't you? And they don't think they're going to get into your team. So just do yourself a favour, change your privacy settings, go through, do a bit of a cleansing action before you send any more CVs out, right? It'll take you 15-20 minutes, and it will keep you a little more in the green zone as to the amber red zone. Yeah, so you so do that action for today, okay? Just go out there and do a bit of a cleansing action, and you're probably not going to see any results from it, but it's just something you should do as an exercise, okay? Make sure you got your goals for this week, all right? Keep the hunt up. Good luck with it. Enjoy.